Hey, in front of me is SONY Xperia 10 Mark IV, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off automatic screen rotation on this smartphone. Start by opening tab menu. Now you need to look for auto rotate icon, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, automatic screen rotation is now on, but you can always turn it off by clicking on the same shortcut. If you wish to, you can go into settings as well, scroll down and tap on display section. Now scroll down again and click on this switcher. Next to auto rotate screen. If the switcher is blue, that means that auto rotation is on. If you wish to turn it off though, click on the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!